How to split the page into half on Canva. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can split the page into half on Canva. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Canva. Now go on the three vertical lines on the top left side. Now from here, just go on the three vertical dots, not the lines, and scroll down up until you see the very option of settings. Tap on the setting option. Now tap on video playback quality. It's auto saved here. Now you just want to have a ruler on your board so that you can just divide it into few sections. So when you just show the grid, so you can just simply show the grid or do not show as well. So if you see the very option of ruler, you can see it simply on the PC, but if you're using a phone, then the ruler might not be seen on your device. But if you're using a PC, then the ruler will be seen. But even if there is no ruler, you can simply just divide it into sections by going on the element section and choose the line section here. Now simply divide it as you want to by placing the lines from here to here. Now you have already divided the Canva into two sections. You can increase or decrease it as you want to, and you can just simply design it however you want to on the different splitted sections. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.